Good day, everyone, and welcome to weekly trading ideas. My name is Nenad. Today it's August 19, and we will go through 5 different trading ideas and pairs analyzed by Camarilla MACD. Before I start, have in mind that forex trading is leverage product, can result in losses that exceed your deposits. Please have in mind that you need to fully understand risk before you start trading live. Everything you see and hear from me is my personal opinion only. Trading rules are always the same. This webinar is being recorded and it will be uploaded to YouTube so you can watch it later. And of course, we will start with the presentation. I hope that you enjoyed last week trading ideas. Basically, my FX book account, you can all follow it here. Feel free to follow my FX book. This is what I trade, and this is what I also do with my ECS live group on Telegram channel. So feel free to join for also paid service. This is free for all, but we also have paid service on Telegram channel. First, we will start with the euro dollar. Okay, and euro dollar, let me just open the chart. Euro dollar has the potential to go up, and also it shows a possible rejection. We have a small head and shoulders here. So I would say that if it gets towards 1150, it's the chance to sell. Here we have a potential buy trade. So pretty much very clear situation. This could initiate a counter trend move, but here I expect a lot of confluence. I expect the price to reject. So I would say, you see, we have also the order block. So for the euro dollar, it's in downtrend. Positional sell is 1.1155. Always add the guys 15 pips buffer. So it can be, let's say I will actually, I might change it a little bit, but let's say this. Always use, guys, 15 pip buffer, okay? And always add the spread to your stop loss. So when I say 1155, it can also reject from 40 or from 70. But the point is that 1155 is the middle. So the price could go there and then start a U-turn, okay? That is how we do it each week. So 1155. Stop loss for this, okay, sorry. Stop loss for this one would be 1190. Yep, it seems like 1195. Okay, and target, guys, I think we could see a counter trend move. So target is 1.70. Now alternative buy could kick in at 1170 with stop loss at 1130 with a TP at 1.1155. Okay, so this is the first trading idea. It's the euro dollar, okay? So from this spot, we might see eventual up move. We have small head and shoulders here, okay? And the price could actually go there. I think that there is possibility for the price to actually go up and then reject. Now we go to the GBP dollar. I would sell. I know I'm waiting for a sell on the GBP, but it's still, you see, it's still here. I would say around 91.90 is the sell. It needs to go there and then possibly sell. This looks like inverted head and shoulders. Although, guys, I would be happy. It's much better 22.30 because of historical sellers here. So I would say that GBP dollar is in downtrend and 1.2230 is a sell. Stop loss is, yeah, we need to go with tight stop here above this candle, 22.70. And the target for this move is 20.90. This is really with level number 9, and it's also weekly confluence, so I wouldn't go below that. I mean, if it breaks it, then it's a breakout trade opportunity. Let me just check once more. Yeah, it's a breakout trade opportunity if it gets there. Okay. Okay, alternative. Okay, breakout below towards. Watch for this also. Alternative buy 1.2050. 2050. Stop loss is below the low of this candle. It's 2010. Always add a spread to your stop loss. And the target is okay. The target, if it breaks 2090, 2050, then the target is 2090. I don't think it will pull back. It will probably drop even more. Now the Australian dollar here is, let me check the Australian dollar. The Australian dollar is in downtrend. Price, I was thinking about making a short trade, but you see this spike looks like the price will pull back. So I would go with, really, I want to sell it higher. So 68.20 for me is the sell. So 68.20 is the sell for me, guys. Here. Stop loss here is, okay. Stop loss is 68.60 with a target 67.50. But for a buy trade, I would go a little bit lower, 67.30. Stop loss 0.6700 TP 0.6820. Now we go with the dollar CAD. Okay, dollar Singapore dollar should continue up. So I guess dollar CAD also could actually use the momentum on dollar. Yeah, you see? Wow, this is now excellent candle, but I cannot go long now. It's two-way. The candle is 60 pips. I would say 32.80. If the price pulls back, this is buy here. 32.80, guys. 32.80 is a buy. Stop loss is 32.40. And the target is, okay, the target is, I would go with weekly for 33.50, 33.60, okay. And sell is 33.60. Stop loss is 33.90. And the target is 33.35. Yeah, no way, really, no way. 32.80. Well, Bitcoin dollar. Let's see, guys, Bitcoin dollar. Bitcoin dollar, this is flat. I would sell 11.134. Stop loss is 2.34. And for this, target should be 10. Yeah, 10.7. So no. Yeah, 10.76. It's not easy to analyze this. It's very volatile. And I would go with a low 97.98. So let's say 97.90. This is sell actually. And this is ranging market. Alternative buy is 97.90. Stop loss 96.90. and the target is here. Okay, and finally we go with gold. Gold is XAU USD. Wait. This is up. I know this. I was watching this. This should go up. Yeah, pretty much we could see the entry here. Yeah, I think 1496. 1491, and the target is 12 to 28, and I think this could be a sell also here. So this is it, guys. Ask me questions if you still have any. I will try to reply. Of course, these are my trading ideas, so I hope that we might see some nice profits here, okay, and that we actually could make the market turn our way. It's a little bit slow now, but still there is chance that market will go with momentum. We have important news this week, so pay attention. The question of Elislav asking about the GBP CAD. Okay, the GBP CAD. I will open it here, and what I see here is the change of the trend. If this candle closes above monthly H3 62.24 or next candle, this will be the change of the trend. This looks like the trend is changing. Left shoulder head, possibly right shoulder here, and you still might see some up down, but definitely even earlier above 62. If you see above 62, then it should go up. The question about the GBP Australian dollar, similar, the ranging market. You see how we have DNA spiral. I don't like this. This is ranging market. Still it's bearish, but it looks like it could go bullish. I think the GBP crosses will probably go under, the trend will change. So yes, here, same thing. If you see the close above 79.30, I think the trend will change. New Zealand, Swissy, Euro, Swissy. Okay, guys, be quick with this because these are quick trading ideas. Okay, New Zealand, Swissy. Again, probably trend change. Shoulder, head, shoulder. It is bearish, but you see, when I see shoulder, head, shoulder, I never take my signals from Camarilla MACD, and it's low. So I would say only here, 64 is short. This, I think, is going up, Velislav. Euro Swissy. So short there, this should go up probably. I'm not confident when I see in shorts, when I see inverted head and shoulders. Okay, and Euro Swissy. Let's check Euro Swissy. Yeah, Euro Swissy 0937. Okay, here we go. Possible sell also here, 0937 or eventually in between 091837, because you see it's going up now. This is retracement. So that is it, guys. I hope that this helped you. I will roll slides again. So I hope that everything will be good. This is euro dollar. This is pound dollar. Okay, watch for these guys, breakouts. This is the Australian dollar. This is the dollar CAD. This is the gold and the Bitcoin. Nenad's and ECS quick trading ideas here. This is free for all setups. And for more, guys, join Elite Currency live trading channel. Okay, we are fully transparent. I hope that you enjoyed. See you soon, guys. Cheers. Trade safe.